Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Sam. And today we're talking about something simple but surprisingly emotional, being alone at home.
Being alone at home sounds peaceful, but it can feel different depending on your mood.
Yes, sometimes it feels relaxing and sometimes it feels a little scary or strangely quiet.
The silence can feel like a friend or like a stranger. Listener, maybe you're alone at home right now while listening to us. Maybe you're cooking, lying in bed, or cleaning your room slowly. Whatever you're doing, we're glad we can sit with you a little. I personally love the first few minutes of being alone.
Yeah, that moment when the door closes and the house becomes calm is so comforting.
It feels like the world gives you space to breathe. But after some time, the silence becomes louder.
Yes, the fridge makes sounds, the floor creaks, and every noise feels bigger.
Your ears become extra sensitive. When I was younger, being home alone at night made me nervous.
Same. I used to check the lock 3 times just to feel safe.
That tiny fear is so universal. Listener, if you've ever felt scared when alone, that's normal. Humans are used to being around others. Silence feels unusual.
Your brain creates stories that don't exist.
But being alone also teaches independence.
Yes, you learn to take care of yourself, clean, cook, manage things without help.
It builds a quiet kind of confidence. When I'm alone, I start talking to myself.
I do that too, like, okay, Sam, let's wash the dishes, as if I'm my own roommate.
Talking to yourself makes the silence feel friendly. One thing I love doing alone is cooking slowly.
Yes, taking time, playing soft music, moving without rush.
Cooking feels like meditation when nobody is around. But sometimes being alone makes you overthink.
Yes, simple thoughts suddenly become big thoughts, and the brain keeps wandering.
Silence is the perfect place for overthinking to grow. Listener, maybe you've had moments where you sat quietly and suddenly remembered something embarrassing from 2 years ago.
Or worried about your future while cutting vegetables.
Silence activates memories you didn't ask for. That's why small sounds help. Music, TV playing softly, or even a fan.
Background noise makes the house feel alive.
It tricks the mind into feeling less alone. But sometimes being alone feels like freedom.
Yes, dancing in your room with no one watching is the best feeling.
It's a private joy. I also love cleaning when I'm alone.
Cleaning alone feels therapeutic. No distractions, just soft movements and small progress.
Your mind cleans with the room. Listener, maybe you're someone who enjoys solitude.
Some people recharge by being alone, and that's beautiful.
Alone time helps you reconnect with yourself. But sometimes loneliness creeps in.
Yes, especially in the evenings when lights get dim and the house feels bigger.
That moment makes you wish someone would call or text.
If you feel lonely at home, you're not the only one.
Even confident people feel that way sometimes. Loneliness is a human emotion, not a weakness. I like calling a friend when the loneliness feels heavy.
Or even watching a cozy vlog. It feels like someone is keeping you company.
Technology makes the world feel closer. Sometimes I make a warm drink when I'm alone.
Yes, tea or hot chocolate creates a soft kind of comfort.
Warm drinks make the house feel less empty. One thing I love doing alone is sitting near the window when I'm alone.
Watching people outside reminds you that life is moving.
It makes you feel connected even without speaking. Being alone also teaches you to enjoy your own company.
Yes, you start discovering small things you like: reading, drawing, stretching, daydreaming.
You learn who you are when no one is watching. Listener, maybe you sometimes wish the house wasn't so quiet.
But that same quietness also keeps you safe, centered, grounded.
Silence can be medicine if you let it be gentle.
And if you ever feel scared, just turn on lights, play music, and breathe slowly.
Fear gets smaller when you add light and sound.
Your mind relaxes when your senses feel safe.
Being alone is not about isolation. It's about connection with yourself.
It's a chance to listen to your thoughts, understand your feelings, and rest your mind.
Alone time builds emotional strength. And the best part?
You can be yourself completely. No roles, no expectations, no pressure.
Just you, in your softest form. Listener, if you're alone right now, we hope our voices feel like company.
We're sitting with you in this quiet moment, making it a little warmer.
You're not alone, not while we're here. Thank you for spending this cozy time with us.